Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, Merry Christmas to you and your dear ones. This is the video research from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. As usual, we'll talk about the euro currency and start from the daily time frame. Well, our major expectation currently is that the market probably could show some reversal pattern on the daily time frame, since it's approaching to the higher time frame strong support area. This is the agreement area on the monthly time frame, and is approaching to the significant targets that stands slightly below the market. That is the weekly ABCD pattern that we have discussed almost during the month. Also, that is 1618 extension of that pattern. Okay, so we expect that probably when the market will reach that levels, it simultaneously will stand inside the strong support area on the monthly time frame, and odds suggest that market should show some respect to that area. That is common price action. Well, but to clearly understand that this respection will happen and that market really will show some bouncing from that area, we need to see some reversal pattern on the daily time frame. That because this price action is very common. When the market approaches to some higher time frame support, it usually shows some reversal pattern on the lower time frame. And daily time frame, as you understand, is lower compared to the monthly chart. And one of this pattern that could be formed is three drive pattern that we have discussed on Friday. That is the first drive, second drive, and potentially could be the third drive. If you have read our military forex school, you probably familiar with the example of the three drive pattern that we have posted in our educational part of the forum. That three drive pattern very often could consist of side-by-side butterflies, and this could happen again. So we have this butterfly that we have traded a month ago. Now market could show another butterfly. Probably it could happen with the target around 128 or 2750, 28 area. By reaching and completing of that pattern, market will simultaneously accomplish that targets and will reach the area of support on the monthly time frame. That, as we could say, that the puzzle will collect around that area, and all details will be in place. So market will accomplish all targets, market will touch the area of support, and market will form the reversal pattern. After that, retracement could start. This retracement could be rather deep on the daily time frame. Well, second moment that is important currently is the MACD histogram on the daily time frame. This indicator I like, since it shows the momentum of the current trend. When MACD histogram shows that with each low stronger move on the histogram, that's okay. That tells us momentum is growing with each move in the direction of the trend. But when histogram shows the shallow bottom, it tells that momentum becomes weaker. And that price action is very common for formation of the three drive pattern. When appearing three drive pattern, you could see something like that. For instance, that low, this low, its momentum becomes weaker and market has shown reversal. That's one of the confirmation signal, because if you will take a look at just simple MACD, you will not see any divergence here. Well, that is another kind of divergence. This is the momentum divergence, so market just showed this momentum of this trend becomes weaker. That's very significant, and that is particularly the pattern that we have to keep an eye during nearest future. On another daily time frame chart, I just want to show you that this pattern still holds, that we have discussed. This stop grabber, bearish stop grabber pattern, and we can see two side-by-side inside trading sessions. So that's the moment when the market is building an energy, and we should be prepared for any breakout, and probably for the bearish buys. And if all will happen as we expect, then this breakout should happen to the downside, since you can see that market has held below the weekly pivot point. Next weekly pivot point stands very close to the current price action. It's 139.23, because this recent price action was very tight. Well, Probably market could retest it, and then we expect that it should continue move to the downside. At least while market stands inside the range of that bar, the continuation to the downside is probable. If market will take it out these highs, hold about it, and continue move further to the upside, then it will tell us that something is wrong. So we should watch for some another confirmation, other patterns. This will be probably another context. But currently, all situation looks bearish, and all price action happens as we expect. On the 4-hour time frame, we see that trend turned bearish also. That is the butterfly that could happen on the daily and 4-hour time frame. But still, if market will show some upward move to this area of resistance 131.03, or maybe to 131.50, or even to the target of that ABCD pattern 131.90 that we have discussed on Friday also, that will be absolutely normal in terms of this butterfly pattern. So reaching even that area will not erase that pattern. The one thing that could influence on this pattern is this high. If market will erase this swing to the upside and take out that high, then this butterfly will be cancelled, and that will be some warnings for the bearish bias on the daily time frame. Until that will happen, all overall picture looks bearish. The one thing that could also point on some continuation in this price action. Take a look. Market has shifted trend to the bearish, but in general price action stands flat in some tight range. That is a point on some kind of the bullish dynamic pressure that usually leads to some upward move. But this probably maybe even could not happen, because market now shift trend to the bearish, and if it will take out the C point, then probably we could say that the downward move has been re-established. So that point is very important for us from the term of the possible continuation to the downside. The same you can see on the hourly time frame. Here we see this long-term trend on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily time, on the hourly time frame, and that is the point that is crucial for that A, B, C bottom pattern that could lead to the 131.89. If market will break this trend line to the downside, take out the C point, then probably we could say that market has reestablished the move to the downside, and we could count on some acceleration to the downside. At the same time, as I said, we have also that pattern A, B, C bottom. Market could reach weekly pivot point, even proceed to the 131.50 area or 131.90. That will not erase overall bearish context on the daily time frame. Currently, just impossible to predict how market will behave, since this is some kind of triangle consolidation. You also see that we have this resistance line on the upside. If market will take it, then market could proceed higher. If market will take lower body and this C point, then probably market is ready to continue move to the downside, and downward move has been reestablished. Also take a look that hourly trend has turned bearish. Probably maybe downward move already has started. We just do not see any significant swings on the market that could confirm that. Well, since this range is rather tight, market approaching to the point of the triangle, okay, we will understand what to expect very soon. Probably in the beginning of the next week, this will happen. So that's been said, our analysis suggests that market will proceed in general a bit lower until it will reach significant targets on the weekly time frame and daily time frame, and that continuation also could happen in the way of the butterfly buy 1618 butterfly buy pattern. By completing of this pattern, market will point on the potential reversal on the daily time frame due to respect of strong monthly support area. Well, on the intraday charts, we should keep an eye on that level as the crucial point for the bearish scenario, and on that level. If market will take it to the downside, then probably we could say that downward move has reestablished and market is ready to continue to proceed to the 128 area.